I fully Gaza, man. Never switch and never sell out, man. Fully bad.
Yo, we out in the street, you don't know, rap and chat, and we out here ask the people them, wagwan, you get me, I say?
Vybz Cartel.
Cartel and stuff.
Vybz Cartel and man.
Vybz Cartel.
Cartel and the dance.
Cartel herself.
Vybz Cartel.
When do to Jamaica, man, fuck the youth them head.
Wagwan people, welcome back to another episode of Rap and Chat. You don't know Naz and
Checks done, you see it? Yeah,
right,
man.
there.
Wagwan, my G.
we are here with
We there, dog. We there.
bring out dog.
Clean!
Yeah,
every
well,
day.
bring out.
You don't know what so you think said CEO, you see me?
Ah.
Yeah, man. So, Wagwan, what if on your mind today?
No, what upon your mind?
Dog.
That me talk about.
What if on my mind?
Mm,
Dog, Vybz Cartel I take it real by storm.
dog. As I say my name, dog, me upset.
Dog, we upset. We are go upset for. We are go
Brother.
upset for.
Bro, yo.
A while ago, you said, dog, me I said, I was wrong. I swear.
Yo,
You see me?
go on to where I said, dog.
Oh, yo, funny man jump out of prison, brother. Me just proud of how a man take the music back. A man take dancehall by storm, brother. A man have dancehall away right now. Every other artist a tremble.
Well, me not say them a tremble, dog, but him a go on good.
No, man, them a tremble, man.
Bro, to me, him a go on good, but at the same time, dog, me don't think him really deserve him success in it, dog.
No, so why would you say man not deserving success?
Me not bad mind him in my youth. So nobody feel like a bad mind, me a bad mind him on it.
All
Brother,
right,
me not
talk to
bad
me.
mind Cartel, dog.
Talk to me,
Yo,
talk
me
to me.
rate, me listen to my music them.
Yeah.
You see me?
But-
You see, Vybz Cartel, people I see the good part, no. You see me? People I see the maturity, no.
Yeah.
Then, why him never make that decisions from before him go prison?
Let me ask you one question. Every decision where you're making in your life, was it a good decision?
No, me not say every decision was a good decision.
So, you try to tell me, say then, if you did make a mistake and go prison, you wouldn't want people, and you come back out and you change, or you are more mature and you see life in a better life. You don't want people accept you in a society for the changes them where you make, and see say you try to like push things in a direction where a positivity. You don't want people view you the way there.
Me don't want people to view me that way there.
All right.
Plain and simple. See?
Alright.
But you have to realize, say, yo, before Cartel got prison,
Yeah.
you understand what I say? Cartel up on top of the game.
Yeah,
The
bro.
man never shot at nothing.
Yeah, bro.
You understand what I say? So, whether or not people are going to look upon him that way, you know, because he made the mistake,
Yeah.
it's not like Cartel never have it before,
Alright.
before him go jail.
Yeah.
You see me? My thing is, you're bossing in your success right now. You see me? And you're rolling in your success, and you know, you take media by storm. Everybody I look by everybody.
God is the
embrace.
greatest. God is the greatest.
But bro, to me, dog, the people them where you step on when you go up the ladder, bro.
Let me explain
Well, I
something.
know. The people them where you step on, dog, when you go up the ladder,
Yeah.
my youth.
Right.
Right now, them people, their fingers still crushing it, dog.
Watch you know. Let me say something to you now. Zayn, you see when Cartel got prison, Cartel was still young, you know, bro. You see when you're new to success, bro, you ever hear them say, yo, fame are the worst drugs to mankind, bro?
You never hear that.
All right. Virgin, you see when you elevate, brother, and you're young, you're going to make decisions where and choices where might affect your life in a bad way.
All right. So
You
let
see
me
me?
ask you something. What about the other artists them where they on top?
Yeah.
Sean Paul, Shaggy. I mean, I say them probably don't make no mistake, you know. But me I talk about the mistake where grab the media attention and the world attention, no matter of fact.
All right.
In a negative light. Zayn, hold on.
Yeah.
Those people reach the top of them game.
Yeah.
You understand what I say? Without if it go in a badness, them separate dancehall
Alright.
or the music from the actual world.
All right,
You understand what I'm saying?
You know, watch this now. Watch this now, no? You have to understand, say, you have two sides of the world.
Zin.
You have a side where nice, the creme de la creme, and you have a side where a dog eat dog. Sean Paul and who else? Shaggy. Them man, they come from creme de la creme, dog. Vybz Kartel come from dog eat dog, brother. You have to understand, say, two different worlds, that bro.
It's all right.
So watch this now, no? Right now, Cartel come from dog eat dog. Him start gain the success, him start gain the power, him start gain everything, bro. Him a taking a little time, I go over creme de la creme. You see when you start have that power there, bro. You see when you start say, yo, if you tell a man, say, jump in, say, oh, I remember me tell you, bro, that I go boot, you have one ego, you know. Man go off a ego, you know, bro. Right now, if you become a billionaire, you know, you walk high, you walk higher than how you walk now, you know.
Yeah, bro.
That's my point.
Yeah, but listen, money only enhance what you have already, we instilling in you. You understand what I say? As me said before, when Cartel get famous and rich and Cartel dip on the top of him game, bro, why him never separate the badness from the music? And if him sing badness in the music and that put him, why is it that you bring it over into the real world? I now say him do what him do, you know. If him not do it himself,
him get it done.
Make it get done.
All right.
What about the other family members them? Where for them people gone under the earth
So
because of him.
So watch out now. Let me tell you this.
So hold on, so you think them people that forget my youth?
Watch this now, me go say something to you. Zane, as me say, Cartel come from a dog eat dog world.
My father come from a dog eat dog world.
Watch this now. Watch
My
this now.
father come from it too.
Yes. All right.
Well-
me glad I bring up Mavado.
Eh.
Which part Mavado son did the other day?
My father son that.
No. Which part Mavado son did the other day?
I jail him today.
All right, let me show you something now. If you as a father, see, you're this big superstar.
Zin.
Your kids them no want for nothing. Why your kids them are going to pick up badness so they end up behind bars?
Vybz Kartel have two sons who never got to prison either.
Exactly.
And them never pick up the badness.
Because guess what? Them learn from their father mistake.
They learn from their father mistake when never have to make that mistake,
But
bro.
watch out, probably if him never make the mistake, that him son the mother and come make the mistake, just like how my father's son make a mistake.
Okay.
Sometimes you have to bear a cross for your pitney, they not bear a crosses.
Well, you have a point still in the dog. You get me in a corner, you say, but. Yo, I'll be hot drop off dog. Bamba, hey, yo, I'll be hot drop off. But
Yeah,
dog,
brother.
what me answer still? See it? Give me answer that. Cartel, right now, a boss in him success. A whole heap of people, them on the left. Balling, family member, disgruntled, hurt, broken. How you would have feel, my youth? As me say, me now say him do the crime.
Yeah.
Me can't judge nobody. But how you would have feel if that come to your doorstep,
Yeah.
where your family members, brother,
Yeah.
you see me? You say you get involved in something,
Yes.
and them can't catch you and then kill off all of your family.
All right, I'm going to show you
Or
something.
kill out a couple people out of your family.
watch
now.
it, I'll
Wouldn't
show you
you,
something. Back in
hold on
the-
now, would you let that go after a certain years and say, oh yeah, me forgive him because he come out as a changed man now. Oh yes, Cartel of Jesus or Cartel of this or Cartel of that and then change. So me I go just forget it.
I'm going to explain something to you.
Bro,
I'm going to explain something to you. Watch this now. You see, when me and you don't know, you see, we go behind closed door with people, you don't know, me don't know. See?
the
Watch
evidence
this
them
now.
did say it.
No, but watch this now. Even if you say evidence tampered with and Ray and Cartel this and Cartel that, watch this. The system is so corrupt that them allow evidence to get tampered with. The system. The same system we put him in prison, I same system make him come out.
We know
You
say
understand
system,
that?
yeah, but we know say system is a fuck up
Alright.
system still.
So you can't kill a man. Just like how you have a politician them grown and give gun. A politician them give gun, you know. All of them people they were gunman kill and rape and abuse. That means I know a gunman them forget blame for it. A politician them.
So you don't have a head for yourself. You don't have a choice to make. When
My
them car-
point
hold on.
exactly.
When them carry the gun come give you, You are going to say, okay, because you're a politician and you're in charge, I'm going to just take the gun from you.
My
Brother,
point-
you have a head for yourself.
Okay, thank you.
Right.
My point exactly. So, if Cartel tell a man say go do something, a man have a head for himself.
If you think and say, nah, go do it.
Exactly.
Eh.
So, even if Cartel say, go step on the toe there, or carry the shoes, you go do this. Listen, you have a head for yourself, you think.
Bro, a man with so much influence, Zane, like Vybz
You
Kartel.
just not like Vybz Kartel.
Brother, we listen to him on music, you know, dog. But to me, dog, I feel like a man should never crush so much toe
The
and
politician ain't do the
fingers
same thing.
and all these things, brother. Because right now,
Politician ain't do the same thing.
yo, right now, you know what hurt me, dog?
What hurt you?
The man a boss in him success right
Yeah,
now, dog. The
I
man move come America.
God is the greatest.
And the man I show him big house and him this and him
Yes.
that and whatever. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
But at the same time, dog,
Yeah.
I feel it for the family members.
Dog,
Dog.
me not feel it for them. Me not be
Listen,
biased.
hold on, man, me done, brother. Cause right now, I feel like, yo, just cut your box.
Dog, yo, people, they hear that all ago. He man don't
Listen,
like Cartel. He
right
just
now
don't
for the
like
man,
Cartel, bro.
brother, I know some don't like him, dog, but me just I say, dog, the people them my youth, the family members for the people them who were man hurt, dog.
Uh-huh.
If you the man sing about everything what him do,
Uh-huh.
and at the same time, I not incriminate nobody, me just I tell you, because him sing about everything what him do, and all these people,
can't go
dog.
back to prison for it.
All these people right now when left mourning and missing them family members, dog. Them the people that they same place. While him come back from prison and say, oh, I'm a brand new man. But what you doing in that past, bro, people cannot forget, bro.
God say if you forgive and forget.
Well, guess what? People forgive, but them now forget.
Alright, make we come off away Cartel doing in the past. What you think about Cartel and the dancehall? What do you think Cartel contribute to dancehall?
I'm not gonna lie, I'm looking at him face. Yo, brother, if this ever reach you, I'm not lie. You're going good. And the way you contribute to dancehall, bro, is like it motivate the others, the other artists them, for push and for reach which part you reach. It's a good look. You're sore right now. You see me? And
The man is sore. The man not sore right now. The man is sore.
all right,
Man
man
a
a
eagle.
sore, man not sore like an eagle. Brother.
Yeah, bro.
He come over here and him sell out a show. Zane,
No, 1 second.
look on the show where him sell
No,
out. Wait.
No,
Hold
Cartel
on.
did not sell out a show. Cartel sold out 2 shows back to back, night after night.
But brother-
Cartel sell out one stadium where Jay-Z never sell out yet.
But look on
2
this.
times.
Look on this. Alkaline just did it in England too.
No, listen.
Alkaline are sore to bro.
That is different.
I'm not different, man. I tell you, I'm not him alone are sore
Watch
in
this now.
music.
Watch this now.
I'm not him alone are
Me
sore
see
in music.
people I say, people say, yo, Alkaline have no personality. Alkaline just come on the stage and sing. Ray. Me not have nothing against Alkaline, you know. But Alkaline cannot walk in Cartel shoes.
Bro, me nah say man can walk in it. But he's not the only artist soaring right now.
But
You
how
understand?
How much
Because
persons, how
look
much artists you ever hear say, come and say, yo, would I love to be like Alkaline?
enough man probably say it, dog, but
Nobody
I mean,
no aspire to be Alkaline. Everybody aspire to be like Vybz Kartel.
Brother.
Vybz Kartel are the lyrical genius, bro.
bro, because they love him,
Vybz
man.
Kartel, listen, you see Vybz Kartel? Vybz Kartel is the why word? Call it word for me.
Yo,
Epitome. And
Dog,
so
I do not know.
Cartel
because
is
me not give him no
dancehall,
word.
bro. Cartel is dancehall. Just like back in the days when Shabba Ranks was dancehall, Cartel is dancehall. Cartel is the dancehall Pharaoh, bro.
All right.
Vybz Kartel
All right.
is dancehall Pharaoh. May I tell you that?
All right. So, it's all we can say what we want to say.
Mm-hmm.
But we'll go to the street.
Yes, I could go to the street and
We'll
ask
go to
some
the
question.
street and hear what the people them have to say about Vybz Kartel. Now that he's back from prison
Yeah.
and I take the dancehall scene and him in at the spotlight and all of that. Make we hear what them have say that.
And the teacher.
Me probably feel like I know everybody are go happy for him success.
Gaza, we say.
No. Gully. Yo, people, we'll go
We're
to
going
the
to the
street.
streets.
Yo, Andrew, you need to fix the road, brother. How the road looks up? Bro, you need to fix the road, bro. Andrew, what is? Clear. And some big old whap them in, brother.
Rap and chop, we not worry cause man no pressure, man no pain, you know.
Yo, we out in the street, you don't know, rap and chat, and we out here asking people them wagwan. You get me, I say? Now that Vybz Kartel has returned from prison scene, and I take it road by storm. What you think this mean for dancehall and the other entertainers them in a dancehall?
A good thing, man. A good look, you see me? I just see others we just go and follow, you see me? Same way. And do the right thing, you know? Yeah, man. The thing I go on, man.
So you think Cartel returning to dancehall is a good thing for Jamaica?
Yeah, man. He come and show them some music easy, man. I want two, man. Put 2 and 1 and 3 and he did it, you know? And them people know that. You know, have to go hard. Easy. You know anything, shot, so that I can even help other artists.
Yeah.
As an artist, same way. Cause from artist to artist, you know.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go follow him same way. Like how everybody. Cause you know that a trending thing. People love follow.
Alright,
So
sir.
Gaza come, them a go big up Gaza and say Empire, Gaza forever. You don't know. But me, a Gaza, I say forever from Gaza, they are prisoner before I even reach. So
Yeah.
I fully Gaza, man. Never switch and never sell out, man. Fully bad. Do me a pen, Clarendon, 1 Clarendon. And I want Dust Bass this, do? And see there, 1 Jelly Queen. Big up.
Gaza to the world. Vybz Kartel was always relevant, even behind bars. So he was still putting out hit songs and all of that, right?
Yeah.
For the, I'm going to call them students, because you know he's a teacher. So for the students that were doing whatever they're doing in dancehall, the teacher has returned. That's the only thing I can say about that. So I expect, and we're getting it already, great music from him. We've always been getting that, but we'll get the best version of him now, you know? And that's really what I'm looking forward to. I'm a Vybz Kartel fan, of course. So, yeah.
Daddy, what you think about Vybz Kartel being released from prison around the dancehall scene right now?
Yes, man, then, he might do a good thing, man, and he come out and might do good. He make one little slip, but he might go on good, man, and everybody rate him and everybody respect him, man. A Vybz Kartel in my world boss, you know. I'm start to think, man, but he make a little slip, but he realize, man. And watch that. I be $1 in my mate now.
Who make you dollars?
I wish I did me, but I can't tell.
So hold on, you feel say your life better since Cartel come out of prison? What do you feel since he come out?
Better. It just, let me tell you now, he make entertainers kind of do better in the music industry. Because then since the Cartel they are road now, you know, and they have to keep up their ability to stay up when you're in standard. So you can then now come slide and some idiot talk again for the inner thing. Because Cartel they are road. And enough of them get intimidated by him, you know. Yeah, man. So they have to live up to his standard. They have to and build up to it.
So you're a Gaza fan?
Yes, man.
Vybz Kartel response for dancehall right now. So you see, in order for you get recognized more now, you have to go in your box to see it and think out of the box. Because Cartel unstoppable, you see me? Yeah, man.
Runaway train.
Yes, man. I commit, you know, you say commit is coming, you know. And he hot. You see me? So, you have to step up a game.
Yeah.
Yes, man. In order to reach fame, you know, you know. Sabaru, 1 click, you see it?
I pay negativity in the music. No positive in the music. So the youth them just take it and the lagger up there and everybody gets lagger. You see them lagger. That's in school them all the teacher fight.
So you not go in and A for you with Vybz Kartel?
No, sir. Him not get nothing from me.
So you think Vybz Kartel right now deserve, hold on, you think him deserve everything we might achieve right now from prison?
No, he not deserve nothing to me by fire. What him do? To Jamaica and fuck the youth them head. Never granddaughter 17 years old, she not listen to them neither.
listen to Cartel?
No, listen to Cartel.
What you think about Cartel?
No, me never ask her everything. She say, no free her music them there. For her lyrics, them are just pussy this, bad man, suck, dick, chop, this, that. I know lyrics them there. Me you can't turn DJ. Me you can't sit down and tree and turn DJ. You know. Just shut the fuck and the man make a man tape it.
In our street, as always, you don't know. Checks done, you see it? Nas, big up yourself. Alright. Hustling youth. Wagwan. Big up yourself now, man.
Greatness, you know what I
Alright,
mean?
sir.
Real
What?
hustling youth out here. Nah rob, nah loot, nah shoot. Fresh from the bakery. Natural fruit flavor in the gizzard, cherry, pineapple, guava, strawberry. In the gizzard, we have natural fruit flavor, cherry, pineapple, guava, and strawberry. Tastes exceptionally well. Patronize us in you, nah rob, nah loot, nah shoot. We have the pumpkin seed, clean your immune system. Billet also consists of vitamin A, B, and C. We have the cashew cake, we have the peanut cake, we have unsalted nuts, we have coconut drops and peanut mix. Tastes exceptional. We have cashew, we have almond, we have pistachio, sunflowers, straight pumpkin seed we have here. Hustling you, not rob, not loot, not shoot. It's a good thing, you know, it's a good experience because him come and open a lot of doors, you see me? So the thing, I gotta work out for the other entertainers, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, for real, man. So it's a good look for Vybz Cartel out here, open up a lot of doors and open the international market for a lot of artists, them, you see it? You know what I mean? Respect.
Yes,
You see that?
cheers, brother. Success, long life and prosperity.
Yeah, bro.
Ah, you hear that? You
Yeah.
hear that?
What?
You hear that? You hear what people must say? A one man me see right now in our streets I look out pan the teacher.
Yeah, dog, me rate Rasta, man.
Oh, you go rate the Rasta because the Rasta, Yanni Rasta
The Rasta,
align.
man, I saw me and see, dog.
Yanni Rasta align.
No, dog, I be
Is
a
it-
f***ing man use,
Yo.
I be a f***ing man use and f*** up the youths them head, dog.
People tell me,
What
oh,
you mean, man?
and you all listening to
Dog,
my music.
all
then.
right, let me tell you this. When you feel like music now have influence, dog.
Music.
You ever hear a man a go do some crime or do anything else, or say I go a club and I listen to Christian song?
No man, me I got a club. me listen
Answer
to
the
Christian
question.
song.
You listen to gospel music?
Yes.
Bro, be honest, dog. No man now listen to no Christian or no souls if you go do certain things.
No, bro.
A man them a listen to certain type of music. But that not even the full point. The full point is that music affect you and influence you in a ways where we not even see.
Yes.
Brother, remember when that gully thing and that Gaza thing they go on
Yeah.
back in the days?
Yeah, back in the
You remember how that interrupt the school dog between the young people them?
Yes.
You remember that?
Right. Me can I say something?
Well, on, you remember that
I remember.
clearly.
I remember.
So you agree?
vividly.
Okay. You remember when Cartel sell cake soap? When him sing about cake soap?
Yes.
Don't cake soap sell out?
Yes.
You remember him sing about Clarks?
Yes.
Don't Clarks gone to a sky high price?
Yes.
Okay. So you agree say music have influence?
All right.
No. You
All right.
agree say
Yes.
music have influence?
Music does have influence.
Okay, good.
All right. Me can I
So
say
Rasta
something now?
not lying then.
So me can I say something now?
Great.
Me can I say something? Watch this. So you tell me say Sylvester Stallone. You tell me say all of them action movie there when me and you watch.
Mm-hmm.
You try if you tell me say those movies them not influence people also. When you see a man in a shoot up man and a bust out their skull, them think they not influence you either. Eh?
You have a point.
Just like how uno say Vybz Cartel music influence the youths them. The same way how them watch the movie, I see when they listen to his song. So you say if you not go blame, if you not go blame one thing, might as well not put everything together and group you and blame everything. Blame everything. You get me? I say,
Yeah.
I tell you that, bro. Watch this now. Let me tell you this. Cartel have dancehall. Cartel is dancehall, bro. Whether people like it or not, he is dancehall. Cartel can come and tell a man, say, just come and say, yo, a tear up shirt I wear and a that I go wear. Because guess what? People see him as that type of person to influence. And you have to understand that. You get me, I say?
Me a hear you.
Vybz Cartel are one of the first man in a Jamaica to start do like a reality show like social media, Vybz Kartel. The man was an influencer. The man say have influence, bro.
Right.
So therefore,
Right.
watch out now. Therefore, the man using influence for sell him products or for make things come alive for him. You see me? That no mean say
But
man
him
a
also
tell.
use him influence in the negative light, bro.
No, bro, not because the man sing say yo kill somebody rare mean say him a kill
Yeah.
somebody, bro.
So hold on there. Make we use common sense. Then we just have to go back on this for a little bit.
Yeah.
Make we use common sense because it look like really a sheep nation. Only just a follow people.
People hear that the man
Yeah.
say we are sheep nation.
Yeah, hear me and say.
What that's
Hear me and say. Man of such great influence, dog. You
Yeah.
see me? When have so much influence over people, dog.
Yeah.
I feel like him should have used him influence more positively. You know what I say? To uplift instead of teach man them. I teach youths them. You see me? Kill people, this, that, whatever.
Let me
The
ask you.
violence part of it, I understand say, yo, I'm music, but the violence part of it, dog, to me is just it just too much. And then him himself get involved in it. So
let me ask you
the
a
youths,
question.
them a go
Let me
emulate him,
ask you a
dog.
question.
Them a go emulate him.
Which artist come and say, people feel dead. People are go dead. Who first come out and say that?
I think a bounty killer.
All right. Since uno want say Cartel this and Cartel that, is Cartel the first artist to come?
No.
Want
no,
to Ninja Man?
No, yeah, Ninja
Want
Man.
to Bounty Killer? Want to Beanie Man? These men don't have influence.
But not such great influence as Cartel. In truth and in fact, Cartel really come and change the game of dancehall.
so not that me I try show you,
Yes,
bro.
I mean?
The man is an entrepreneur. The man is different, bro. The
Different
man,
now.
No, bro. The man been different, dog. The man been
Man been different since him got prison.
No, dog.
And
listen.
realize,
Listen.
the man realize the mistake. You see me?
Listen, Cartel is let me tell you this. You know when me know say Cartel, I want different type of artist, bro. When me a little youth, when me a young youth, Cartel come out in one song and say, picture me and you and me, Kissing. Picture me and you under the tree, Fucking. Oh man, fi bout dog. You see when me hear man come out with that song there, bro, I knew Cartel was a different type of artist, dog. Cartel are the type of artist where when Cartel sing him song them, bro, it's like when you sing it back, it's like the song did make for you. The man have that kind of, me don't know charisma, me don't know where have, bro, but the man is beyond normal.
Bro.
You get me I say?
Yes, but get what I say.
Yeah.
I mean, not tell you say man not great in the dog. But me I say the man should have used him influence,
Dog,
dog.
listen up.
For something greater and shouldn't have to make prison teach him.
No, bro.
You see me? You're going to prison, dog, for 13 years for realize the great mistake. I mean, I say the man can't make no mistake. The man not perfect,
And
dog.
that you try to tell me.
No. Me not say man perfect, bro. You see me?
say
Me not
your
say
son.
man perfect.
I say you sound like you want the man to be perfect.
No, what me just say is that now that the man out and
Yeah.
a boss in him glory.
Make him man boss in and glory.
But dog, people out there, dog, when man left, I go continuously mourn for them loved ones, dog.
let me
Whenever
ask you-
I go come back.
Let me ask you the question. Let me ask you this question. What if it was the other way around? Would you sit here and debate, say, these men take Cartel life and Cartel family are mourn?
Of course. Me not agree with nobody for take no life.
No, I'm going to show you something.
Unless a
Watch out now.
self-defense where you
watch out
have to
now.
do it.
Let me show you something.
You understand what I'm saying?
Listen this now. You know why you're not going to sit down yourself and talk about the next man them. Those men are insignificant to the world. These men where you are trying to defend. And I say, Ray. These men are bad man, dog, but nobody don't know them. But you see, through Cartel have power and Cartel have influence. You are going to come now and say, him should have this and him should have that. You know how much man, me see pastor rape woman. Pastor.
But hold on, you said something a while ago. You said the man them life insignificant.
Because, you know why me say them
Well, I know. Let me
insignificant?
just say, no, me know why you explain.
All right.
You already said. You said the man then life insignificant
Yes.
in the world. Zane?
Yes.
I don't know if me said this earlier. But imagine the same thing come at your doorstep.
I understand
Right.
that.
Would you say that your brother life is insignificant to the world?
I'm going to say something.
Don't me ask you.
Never
You have to
you.
answer it, you know.
So I'm not going to answer you. But let me say something. You see, if I know that my brother was a bad boy and my brother get killed because I'm badness, so him I do, me not go sit down and defend him. I will not.
So you would say that his life is insignificant?
No, but if him
You
think,
not answer, bro.
listen up, if him think his life insignificant, why shouldn't I think it's in?
No, him not think so.
No, he think
And
so,
you
cause
just
him
say the
think so.
man.
Yeah,
No,
if
you just think
what
so
I
the
do-
man them life insignificant
Alright,
because them in a badness.
All right, probably
No.
use the wrong word.
The-
Probably use
no,
the
bro,
wrong word.
Because guess what me
all
say?
right, all right.
The thing what me
You're
say
right.
to-
You're right.
Well,
You're right.
Yeah, well I know. The thing what me say to that.
Yeah.
Zin, even if you say the man them life insignificant to the
Yes.
world, what about the man mother? What about the man brother? What about the man? You never hear no one of the voice note where man I say, yo, everybody up at the yard go dead.
I remember say something.
You know, answer the question.
Yes, me hear that. Me hear
Everybody up at the yard go dead.
that. I remember say something.
You never hear that. Me
Yes,
done
me
make my
hear
point.
that. Me hear that. Make your point. Make your point.
Good. Cool. When the man said that, now if you are going to take out the man we're involved in your badness, take out the man we're involved in your badness, not the innocent family members them who will not have nothing to do with what go on upon the street, under the what go on underworld where them now know about. Why is it that you feel like you have the right to go and take out the innocent them life because that man you over?
All right, let me say something now. Me can say something. I apologize. Me apologize for saying the man them life
Insignificant.
See, you see me tongue all tie up. But let me say this, bro. Let me tell you this. You see, when people get up and them choose to be bad, bro, there's nothing that you can do or I can do or anybody can do, you know.
Me agree.
You see me?
Me agree.
A lot of times, me see man are bad. And then mother talk to them, go in, out. When they did, they think say their mother grieve, but their mother not grieve as much as how them have a relief. You know why? Because you can be a bad boy and your mother talk to you every day. And you not take heed, you not listen to your mother. You are going to bring something come on your mother doorstep one day. It is not a person who send somebody come for your family, you know. You is the decisions them what you make and the choices them what you make as a person. You know what time you hear mother say, stop. You see when they dead, the mother cry, but the mother rejoice at the same time because the mother say, me hear mother say, one day you would I bring you come right on my doorstep.
Trex, watch this. All right. Listen to me now. Let me come closer to. Listen what I say.
Yeah, man, I listen.
You see, when people are do badness,
Yes.
some family member will know about the badness, while some don't have a clue of what really are
A
going on.
majority of them always know about the badness.
Some know about the badness, some don't have a clue as to what that young man are going with out the street. You can have your brother, right? And you can swear for your brother, say, yo, your brother is a pastor or a church man or whatever the case is. And behind closed doors or at night time, you don't know where that man are going with.
That's true.
Right?
That's
all
true.
right. So him go to road and him do what him have to do and him doing crime and him do whatever. You and your son or you and your daughters, right, have no clue where him are going with outside the road. But at the same time, when you walk on the street, you see a black beamer drive up, window wind down, a man say, yo, see when the door move. The whole house not go dead tonight. Because your brother
That's true.
up and nobody knows that. You don't know nothing about
That's
it.
true.
You stand up there and you're like, what not talk about? What not do? You have no clue, bro.
That's true.
And now the man come for you
So that's
and take your life, your kid's life, and then when they're done, them not satisfied,
Yeah.
them go take your mother life.
I may understand that.
You cannot understand that because
No,
guess
me
what?
understand that,
Guess
but me I
what?
say-
Not everybody are going to realize, say, yo, them kids or them brother or their uncle are going with badness out the road.
But me ask you something.
So my point
So you
is,
as a bad man, so you try
no,
to tell
my
me. say.
point is that if a man, them out the road, commit the crime and them involved with cartel, and cartel and the crime And him a do. Take out the man, we mess you up. Don't go to the family, the innocent family members. Them
Well,
dog.
me no know if Cartel take out no family member.
The man sing about it.
He probably just sing sitting. Me not think he goes so.
Yeah, Kawa.
Alright, make we talk about the entrepreneur side of Vybz Cartel now.
Cool.
Zane?
Yeah, man.
Me think Cartel good for the culture, bro. Music wise and from an entrepreneur side perspective. Like right now, the Cartel have a room where it run a place.
Straight vibes.
You see me?
Zane.
It a run a place, bro. Yes, Cartel making mistakes them, bro. And in pay for mistakes them, we all can see that. The man almost dead in a prison. He almost dead in a prison. If God never see something in a Cartel for him come out of prison, he would have dead in there.
If he say a God,
If he say a God.
me no feel say a God, bro.
Alright, maybe that's
Yeah,
my
me nah-
thought.
Yeah, that's your, but me no feel say a God.
That is my thought.
So where I say God like badness.
God play you did let me explain something to you. Let me explain
Because
something.
I ask if God like badness.
No, learn this. And learn this well. Me always a teacher things, you know. Remember me say, listen, you know what say? When Jesus did upon the earth a walk, all I man them with Jesus power with are the bad man.
Why?
Every single one of them.
Why me no know? No?
You see if gun did about them time, them
Yes.
man they would have a submachine, rifle, 9mm pistol. Them that's so
Yes,
them man
one
they
them
would,
a strap up.
that me I tell you. The man them with Jesus used to roll with a bad man
A
them.
bad man them.
Yes.
All right.
So, as me say,
All right. Yeah.
brother, Father God, me feel like God, give him a second chance, bro. Me feel like God give him a second chance, fee. Redeem himself, bro, and, you know, bring back dancehall to the world. Because right now, if you look on it, right now, dancehall depend top again.
But dancehall that go on good still.
No,
you know.
dancehall need to go and good. Come on, bro. Do better than
Bro,
that.
how much hit song Popcorn have before Vybz Cartel come around? How much hit song? Hold on now. Yeah, I say go dancehall never
Yeah,
that
yeah,
go
go
on
on,
good.
go on, talk, go on.
But
talk.
how much hit song Popcorn have? Plus, we talk about the young new artists them will come up. Skeng. You talk about Raja Wild. You talk about 450. Hold on, me not done. Zane, you talk about Skilly Bang. Skilly Bang boss when that the man there in a prison.
Yes.
Zane, you talk about the great Massacre. Every song when Massacre sing is a hit.
1 second, can I say something?
So dancehall did a go on good.
Let me say something.
Bro,
Can I say-
dancehall, they are going good.
Can I say something,
Bro,
sir?
yo.
Watch out now. Let me ask you one question. All of these artists who you make mention of, who influence them?
I don't fucking know, bro.
Vybz, every single one of them. Every single one of them we mentioned a while ago. Cartel are the idol.
You say a Cartel influence 450?
Watch this now. Listen this now. Watch this now. Let me show you something. You see, you name out all these artists, saying how much of them can just drop each song one behind the other. The only one you can say a Massacre.
Oh, so yeah, I say how much of them? Massacre.
No, how much of them? May I ask you, how much of them?
Skeng did a drop hit song after hit song.
Alright, me go ask you something.
Hold on.
Skeng.
Yeah, Skeng did a drop hit song after hit song.
Skeng a bad
Remember
artist, you know.
when
Listen
Skeng
now.
and Tommy Lee sing the song, brother?
Listen now,
You
Skeng
see
a
me?
bad artist, but the lyrics them were Cartel use and the lyrics them were these young artists use are two different type of lyrics.
Yes, but the dancehall,
Some of
the
them are
fact
money.
is,
Some of them are
the
money.
fact is dancehall did a go on good.
Alright, let me ask you one question.
Right, hold
Watch
on,
out
before you ask a question, remember your question. Cartel only come back from prison now and catch dancehall and then I run with it.
Catch dancehall.
Yeah, bro, cause when me say him catch it, me mean it never go down. It never fade out. It never, and I never like it last. To
Oi.
me, that's my personal,
Reggie,
that's
listen.
my personal
Reggie.
thing, bro. You can't tell me nothing. The
Silent
man
1
come
second.
back, and me just mention that.
Level. Listen me, bro. Listen. Watch this now. Remember, say Cartel sell platinum
Yeah, from behind
and
bar.
gold behind bars, you know,
So,
brother.
yeah, so that means
And
that,
silver and gold. Virgin, listen. You see what Cartel do? What Cartel did, no other entertainer. We got prison. Look for Ninja Man. Ninja Man, they are prison all long. You
And he
ever hear
lost.
Ninja Man drop a song? Zebra. Eh?
yeah,
All of these men we got prison.
that.
Cartel stay behind bars and run the road, brother.
You may say no, ask a question. What you gonna ask? Ask your question, bro. And come out of my face.
Yeah. Yo,
Come out of my face, youth.
let me tell you this.
That me I tell you about Gaza,
Let me tell you
Gaza,
this.
Gaza, and
You
a
see?
sheep nation, youth.
And on a sheep nation, bro. You have to just know, say, you see, when you see greatness, you have to acknowledge it. And you can't be biased. You see me? You can't be biased when greatness, you see, let me tell you this. You see greatness, bro? No matter what nobody do and no matter what happening in this life, them cannot take the greatness from Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel was born to be great, bro.
The man born to be great. All right.
Whether or not them prison him or not, bro, the man stay behind bars and make millions.
You know why? It goes right back to the fact that the system is corrupt. You said it.
But me being tell us say system corrupt.
The system corrupt, dog. Some money did I run. Because the man have money. Some money did I run while the man could have stayed behind bars and still a produce and drop music. How comes every other artist last behind bars? How comes when the man then go behind bars, the man them
they're not as smart as
them not have the money where Cartel have.
Listen what man saying though.
Them not have the money where Cartel have.
Watch out now. Remember what Cartel say no. Cartel say he have 2 iPhone. One with the beat, one with the acapella. Cartel think different, bro. Cartel not think like some of them man, them have the most sophisticated things to work with. Cartel use when have dog.
Yeah, me not say no.
That a difference, bro.
Me not say no.
Is.
But how his phone reach to him?
So look how much other artists have phone up with.
You
Look
don't
how
know
much
that.
other man have
You
phone
don't know
up
that.
with.
They not come back on talk.
What
Cartel
you mean?
come back on talk.
What
How
you
the
mean?
phone them reach the Cartel?
Bro,
you can't tell me nothing.
In every system.
Corrupt system.
In every system, bro.
Yeah.
In every
So that
system.
means that then it did corrupt. So Cartels could have still put out the music and stay up on
Other
top.
artists can put out music too if
Dog,
they
you
did
know,
smart.
because
Them
the
not
man not
smart.
have the money.
Them not smart.
Them not have the money.
I
And
know
not smart.
money,
Them not
I
what
know
you mean,
money.
dog?
I
Money
know
have
the
to
money.
run, my youth.
Dog, listen now. I know the
Common
money.
sense, dog. Money have to run.
Alright, watch
Yo,
out now.
Trex, money have to run, dog.
Let me ask you
You
something.
can't tell me say that
You
the
see
man
if I
then
did money? Watch out, let me tell you this. You see, if I did money for Cartel come from prison, Cartel come from prison a long time. If Cartel, remember say Cartel case did have to go to England, you know, bro. A English court say, listen, is it down the Lego man or on come up with the evidence? A English court, a Supreme Court.
All right. Before you mentioned evidence a while ago, Zane, take out the court out time. I'm turning that back with
So you want to take out the court out? The court I'm staying there, bro.
Yo, listen. Zane, you talk about evidence. We're going to use me and you. You're going to tell me, say, take out the quote out time. Zane, we're just going to do a little flashback.
Yeah.
And with all of the voice notes, them we usually go around. And the video evidence will show the whole like tattoo upon the man hand.
And the pickaxe stick.
And the pickaxe stick. And the man and say, yo, dog, yo, want chop off your neck. Or yo, you are going to do this, you are going to do that. It clearly hear him voice in it. Zane, as me say, if I know him, the man them we did it. But sometimes the man we conspire for do it can get charged more than the man will actually do the crime. But anyway, we visually see the tattoos them. We hear the man voice. We hear the other voice notes them. Right? When man say, yo, bring back my shoes. Is this a go happen? This a go happen? This a go happen? And we know, say, no.
You know shoes expensive, bro. You know how
and
shoes
we know
expensive.
shoes there when man attack. So
Me
what
don't
me
know
say?
where you attack. Me
No,
know
but
say-
what me say is that. Zane,
Back in the days,
check out them there.
Nike man did
If
attack
me
on
and you
clocks.
fi sit down and say, yo, we're going to send Cartel to jail, dog. And you get all of them the evidence of my youth. Me know say man a go jail, dog. Pan the eye top, he ma fucking go jail. And that me I tell you, because if me just see it and look at where I say, yeah man, I this for real. I am this.
But watch out now.
Because in tattoo matchup, in voice matchup, everything did it. The only thing, Cartel smart, you know, dog, and me give him that, you know. Cartel smart, you because man know, say if everything get tampered with, it's just a matter of time before that fucking thing show out, bro.
Watch out
It's
now.
just a matter of time.
Listen now.
So man, make sure say, yo, all of them things that they in place and everything get man that sets a boom. And you know what? It have to go to England. So they
You
go
see
throw
how
it
people
out.
like you. You see people like you. Listen now. Love me now, or hate me more. Even though I don't like being man like that, you have to sing that song the car.
Yo.
Bro. Listen,
dog.
Cartel I man, bro. I'm not gonna tell no lie.
Marine Cartel music.
Me admire Vybz Kartel. I really do admire Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel is what I envision a superstar from Jamaica would be like me think Bob Marley do him time, bro. Me think Vybz Kartel are the new Bob Marley. That's me. That's just me.
All right.
Me know what the next man. Vybz Kartel is an entrepreneur. He's an entertainer. He's a good father. You see me, I say, me don't know if him going to be one good husband or not like that. But Cartel, dog, as somebody to admire one way or the other.
All right.
You get me, I say?
All right. So me have my 2 cents.
That is my opinion.
Me have my 2 cents to say. All right. Cartel. Me admire your growth when you come back from prison and you make. You see me?
Yeah.
Me really admire the change, brother. I can see it.
Yes.
Literal change, the growth. You understand what I say? Them a talk about clashing man say in them thing there again.
Exactly.
You see me, man? Say the bleaching thing, you would have never bleach again.
Exactly.
So me not gonna lie, me appreciate the growth, bro. And me appreciate the dancehall flavor where you still have and where you still bring to the world. You see me?
Yeah.
But at the same time, we can forgive, but we can't forget.
Yo.
We can forgive, but we cannot forget, bro. A whole heap of people cry underneath your hand. A whole heap of man suffer. A whole heap of family right now, they underneath the ground. And your success right now, you're boss tonight.
Me just want to say this, sir. Me just want to say this. You hear a man say, you would never bleach again. And you know why he say you would never bleach again? Just like how me did I explain to you, say, sometimes people, them not have that self-love there for themselves. You see me? With all that power where man did have, bro, I may show you, say, him probably did see himself in a different light. He probably didn't want to be fairer, because he think people that even like him more. Sometimes, bro, you make mistakes where you can't go back and change. A son of man go out the road and breed woman, you know. And then come back and say, oh, I'm sorry, way. Sometimes that you cannot change the mistake them. It is a mistake. The man he do the crime and he pay the time.
You have more time.
Me not thinking if he dead in a prison, bro.
Me not thinking if he dead. Me not saying if he dead in a prison, dog. But he did have a couple more years left.
No, me not think so, bro. Me think 13 years was enough, bro.
All right.
With all I suffering when do dog sick and all. A good time, a right time for him come out.
Yo,
And
good
Vybz
chat.
Kartel are the man. You see me?
Good chat.
Me know you know.
You
Me
see
know
me?
you love the artist still, you know. You love the artist
Yeah.
yeah.
Good chat,
Guys,
dog.
big up on yourself. Please drop a like, share, comment, and guys, listen. You see if you don't have any topics you want we talk about, please drop it in the comment. You get me? I say, and big up on yourself. Checks done.
Naz. You see me? You don't
What
know.
is on my nose? I'm out. Gaza, me
Yeah.
say that. Gaza, me say. Me know this is what I say.
Anyway.
Gaza, me say. No, me say, yeah, Gaza, me say. Yo, big up yourself, man.
Big up yourself,
The
dog.
success, dog.
The success,
You see me?
yo.
More life, more blessings, more strength. You get me? I say.
Mad.
Right, that's the thing there.
That's it there.